Students, so today we are going to start chapter 4, quadratic equations. In chapter 3 you learnt about linear equations in two variables. Linear equation means degree is 1, but here it is a quadratic equation, so degree should be 2. That means the highest power of the variable should be 2. Okay, so the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c, right? Where a, b and c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, because if a is 0, then the equation will become bx plus c is equal to 0, and you can clearly see it is not a quadratic, it will become a linear equation. So a must not be equal to 0. So in question 1 of exercise 4.1, you have to check whether the following equations are quadratic or not. So first part is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So let's solve first by using the identity. Left hand side will be x square plus 1 plus 2x. We have used the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. And right hand side you just need to multiply 2 by the terms in the bracket. Okay, so you get x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Isn't it a quadratic equation? Yes, because the power of x here you can see is 2, right? So it is a quadratic equation. Next part is x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. After you can see here we get this equation, but here the highest power of x is 3. So it is not a quadratic equation because its highest power is 3. So it is a cubic equation. Okay, next in question number 2, there are word problems, but you just need to create the equations, not to solve them, right? Now, first part is, it is given in the question, the length of a rectangular plot is 1 more than twice the breadth of the plot. So we need to find the dimensions of the plot. It is not written in the question find the dimensions. क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ ये लिखा है कि हमें फाइंड करना है, मीन्स करना नहीं आपको, मीन्स सॉल्व करने के लिए नहीं लिखा है, फाइंड नहीं करना है आपको, वो मेंशन किया गया है सिर्फ कि अगर हमें ये फाइंड करना हो तो आपकी इक्वेशन क्या होगी, राइट? सो you can see here we assumed breadth as x meter, so length of the plot will become 2x plus 1 because breadth के twice से 1 more, that means twice means 2x and plus 1, so length will be 2x plus 1 meters. Don't forget to write the unit meter, centimeter, age के लिए years and so on, ये आपको लिखना compulsory होता है. Now area of a rectangle everyone knows that is length into breadth, so area also given, area is 528, and according to the dimensions we have assumed 2x plus 1 into x is equal to 528. On solving you will get a quadratic equation as 2x square minus x plus 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Just this is the answer, you don't need to solve further. We will solve the equations from exercise 2. Okay, now next in the next part there are two consecutive positive integers, and it is given in the question the product of the two consecutive positive integers is 306. So two consecutive means one after the other, one succeeding the other. So if one consecutive positive integer be x and the other will be then x plus 1, that means according to the question you will get here x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. On solving you will get equation. In the third part it is given age of Rohan's mother is 26 years more than the age of Rohan, and after 3 years product of their ages is 360. So first of all let us assume that age of Rohan be x years and age of Rohan's mother will be x plus 26 according to the question, but he's talking about after 3 years. So after 3 years age of Rohan will be x plus 3 and age of Rohan's mother will be already it was x plus 26 means ये जो हमने age assume की है that is present age. So after 3 years increase हो जाएंगे, that means age of Rohan's mother will be x plus 26 plus 3 and according to the question दोनों का प्रोडक्ट आपको गिवन है 360 एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट द रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन. ओके, एंड वन थिंग आई मस्ट टेल यू, जो भी हमें फाइंड करना होता है ज़्यादातर इन जनरल क्वेश्चंस में उसी को हम एज्यूम कर लेते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ़ यू नीड टू फाइंड द एज ऑफ रोहन, देन यू लेट द एज ऑफ रोहन एज एक्स. In general, most of the questions may whatever you need to find, let it be the variable you want. Okay, part it is given that a train covers a distance of 480 kilometers and if its speed is decreased by 8 kilometer per hour, it is decreased not increase. Okay, 8 kilometer per hour, then time will be increased by 3 hours, sorry. Okay, so we know that the formula for finding time is equal to distance upon speed. So in first case, distance is 480 kilometers and speed we assumed as x. Okay, so it will be 480 upon x. And in the second case, you can see here 480 upon x minus 8. Now in first case जो टाइम है वो सेकेंड केस वाले टाइम से 3 आवर्स कम है बिकॉज वहाँ पे स्पीड x थी. अब न्यू केस में सेकेंड केस में हमने स्पीड को कम कर दिया तो टाइम ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. सो यू कैन सी वी कैन फॉर्म अ इक्वेशन हेयर एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट the equation as x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0.